What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a super quick video for all the people that are asking me if they should do a straight pipe exhaust or if they should do the muffler. So we got Tyrell here, this is his truck. And he has, it's a 6.7 Cummins, and he's got the 5-inch exhaust straight piped right now, but he's moving into the city and the cops are out giving guys muffler tickets left, right, front, and center. So we're gonna put a muffler on it, and what it is just a big resonator basically. So he's gonna rev it up a couple times, you can hear what it sounds like, and he'll do a pull down the street so you can hear kind of what it sounds like when he pulls away. And then we're just gonna quickly slap this resonator on. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll do it all over again. And then at the end, I'll put them right side by side so you can, you know, hear them right next to each other. But yeah, so you wanna fire it up? Oh, I love that sound. Okay, we're gonna go throw this resonator on and we'll see what it sounds like after. All right, so this is what they call the muffler, but really it's just a big resonator so you can look right through it. And he's got a Flow Pro exhaust on, so this is the actual, there she goes away. That's the actual resonator that would come with the kit if you got with the muffler, but if you just get the muffler itself, the part number is 6196. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw this guy on quick and we'll see what it sounds like after. All right, this was a straight pipe and now it's got this resonator in, so we'll go check her out. Okay, fire it up and give us some revs with the muffler. All right. Still sounds pretty good though. I mean, you can't beat a 5-inch exhaust on a 6.7 Cummins, I don't think. But yeah, I'll put the two videos side by side here right after one another, and you can kind of make a decision for yourself. But if you found the video useful, please like, please subscribe. I do a lot of diesel content you don't want to miss out on. And yeah, thanks for watching. You can check out the Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. But yeah, I hope to see you on the next video.